If we do a small Claude search and we basically just ask how many businesses in the US are still missing a website, what we will find is approximately 30% of US small businesses don't have a website in 2026. Right now, there's approximately 36 million small businesses in the US, which means that we have around 10 million businesses without a website. And that's also why I previously showed you these 3 levels of things that you can build right off the bat, where a website is level 1. The reason for that is that what this entire business model is about is that you learn skills, you learn how to do something well, where businesses would rather pay you to do it than do it and find out how to do it themselves. And building websites is one of those things that still have a lot of perceived value. If people see a very nice website, they think, okay, that must have cost a lot. Even to this day, where AI is so good at building websites, there's a lot of perceived value in websites. And that is also why it's what we're going to start off with building. Here's an example of the website that you're going to learn how to build. And I'll even give you this template right here so you can actually build exact websites like this from one prompt. You can see we have this navbar right here that when we scroll, that becomes like a sticky navbar at the top. I really like this design, the choice of colors, the choice of fonts. It looks very, very professional. And what you'll also be learning in this next part of the module is how to also make these websites actually high converting, because that's one of the places where a lot of website designers, they mess up. It's because they create websites that might look good, but they are not high converting. You can see there's a very bright button right here that you would want to click on. And you also have a number right here that you can call if you want to call them straight away. You'll also learn how to create these very, very clean animations directly with code and Claude Code. You can see this little plumbing animations right here from the pipe and this calendar animation right here. All of these you'll learn how to create, and you'll learn how to prompt Claude to get a result that looks this good. You'll also learn how to create these type of animations, which are kind of like these cards where they stack on top of each other, which looks very professional. Then you'll learn how to split this into a dark mode that creates like a very nice contrast. And at the end, you're going to have this form right here, and I'm going to show you how you can hook this website up to any CRM that you want. This is a very nice website, and usually web agencies can charge a lot. If I create a new chat and I ask Claude, how much does web agencies charge for a nice looking website, the result will probably surprise you. Look at this. Depends on a lot what nice looking means, but rough market ranges for a solo freelancer on a template where it takes 1 to 2 weeks, you can charge 1 to 3K. If it's a small boutique, then it's 3 to 10K. If it's a proper agency, it's 10 to 30K. If it's a mid-tier agency, it's 30 to 80K. And if it's a ward tier, like a big web agency where they really spend a lot of the time on the design, they can charge $80,000 to $250,000. And if it's some of the very well-known brands, they can charge $250,000. And you can even see for my agency, I recommend $3,000 to $10,000 for websites. So you can see how much you can actually charge. And again, to set your expectations, you're not going to go out and close your first website to $10,000. But what you might go out is close a website for $500, which would still be a massive win when you're just starting out. And